Welcome to our very first video tutorial, and in this particular series we are going to be looking at how to make mpesa clone from scratch. Maybe those of you who are not familiar with what is mpesa, it is a mobile money transfer platform which basically most of its services are based in the East Africa region, and it enables its subscribers to send basically the main basic features why it was invented. It was to enable its users to send and receive money, but above that it has got other services, as we shall see later. But for now, I want to show you a demo of what we are going to be developing. So the first thing, what you are going to be prompted when you open up this particular application, you are going to you are required to sign in. So let me type in my username as Mkali, then you enter the password, then you click login. The first page, this is the home page where you are where you land. Then when you want to send money, just go to the money menu here, you click on it. From the drop down, you just click the service which you want. For now, we want to send money. Instead of using the mobile number, I'm going to explain in greater details in subsequent video tutorials on how it works, but for now it is just a demo. You need to enter the username of the person you want to send money to. For instance, here I have a user called, if you go to the back end here, the database, you can see that I already have two users, and they have the username Simukari, and we have the other one is called Nyakoe. So let's you enter that. I want to send money to Nyakoe. As you can see, if we go to the balances, let me open that particular table. You can see that currently user ID number 1 here, who is Mkali, has got a balance of 2,000, 764, and Nyakoe has 2450. So let us try to send money to that particular user. So you can see I want to send, let me say 500. So you click send money, and then you are supposed to enter your secret pin. Therefore I've entered my secret pin, then send. It brings this pop-up window which shows you that the money has been sent to Nyakoe, and it has details like the amount which you've sent, the person you've sent to, the date you've done the transaction, and the time the transaction has taken place, and also your mpesa clone balance. So that was it. There are a demonstration on how you can on what we are anticipating to develop from now and the next video tutorials. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Hit the notification panel so that you can get notified when I release new videos on this particular series. Thanks.